Hello guys, today we see a second array problem. Find max and min element in an array. So let's start. First, this is the main method. First, we import the util package. Import java dot util dot star. Now we add that scanner. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. Here we take user input as an array and find the max and min element in that array. So for that, first we take a length of the array from user. So system.out.print. Here we show the user to enter the length of an array. Here user enter the length of an array. So we store in the n is the sc dot next int. Here we store the length of the array. Now we take the array as an input from user. So for that we initialize an array int arr is equal to new int. Here we define the size. Size should be n as and here we initialize I is equal to 0. Using while loop, we take input element, array element from user while I less than n. Here we insert the element in that array. Arr of I is equal to sc dot next int. Then we increase the I, and here we create two methods: static int is max. Here we pass the array arr, and here we also pass the length of the array int n. Similarly, we for min we can create one method: static int is min. Similarly, we pass the array and length of the array, and we simply call that here int max val is equal to, here we call this max method, and here we pass the array and length of the array. Similarly, int min val is equal to min, and we pass array and n, and simply print that. Here we simply print the max and min value. The max element is plus max val. The min element is min val. Now we go to that method max and min. There we write their code. So first we iterate. First we initialize the max and min. So for that, int max is equal to arr of 0. let iterate that, 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 = 0. 0 int I is equal to 0, starting from 0, I less than n. We already know the length of the array I plus plus. Then we use the condition if arr of I means current element greater than max. Then what we do? We simply add the update the max to that current element. Max is equal to array of I and simply return the max. Return max. Similarly, for mean, int mean is equal to array of 0, and here we iterate the loop, int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here also we check whether the current element is less than the mean or what. So for that we use if condition, array of I less than mean. If array of I less than mean, then we update the mean. Mean is equal to array of I and simply return the mean. Return mean. Let's run this. We see line number 16. Yeah, and another one is Maxwell. Here it is capital P. Now we enter the length of array is 6. Here we give the array element. First is 2, then 6, then 8, then 2, then 9, then 1. Here if we see the maximum element is 9 in this is the array 2, 6, 8, 2, 9, 1. Here the maximum element is 9 and the minimum element is 1. Yeah, now we complete. We go to next problem. Thank you.